So, friends, just to be honest, the consistency that I had is not working, means it's not being. Oh, what I'm talking, my friend. This is happening with me. अरे मी काय बोलायला लागलो बघा आता. Okay, leave it. So I will share my experience to you on basically today's topic will be on being single. Is it worth it to be a single or in relationship? So that's the today's topic. So I would like to say that being in a relationship is a bit of hectic task. So if you be in a relationship, it's not about you and your partner. It's the mentality that would you like to make that relationship a long lasting or just a catch up hookup culture like that. So mainly boys and the girls mostly they prefer hookup. They would have sex and all that, and low, just boom. So this is not our sanskruti, means as a Hindu, as a Indian, we have a great culture. So this is a bad thing going in today's Gen Z generation. So I would like to admire it and solve solve it by providing good content related to it. So second thing, when you are a single, so I am telling you guys, it's the best time to do work on yourself. Create yourself, builds build body, personality, and overall appearance should be great. So whenever you enter in a room, you should capture all you should capture all's gaze on yourself. So they should look to you not as a, oh, any random guy came. No, as a powerful person has entered in this room. So that it should be at their mind. So for that, firstly you need to create a body. So that's there is my senior sitting here. Uh, he saw me and gave hands. So I will show you up here. So that's he's there. His name is Lakshman. So there are some seniors. So today I am sitting in the shades of tree. So I would like to tell that the content will be in English, so that means I will also get to know more about English, but I know it and my practice, that English speaking practice I have left it from my school days. So lastly I spoke English at my 10th standard only. So it's very high time now, means 3 years back. So rather than mugging it up, learning it, I would prefer to speak and talk in English only. So the content will be in English, and I I tried vlogging, but it's not. It will be continued. No worries. I would continue it. So I would then what we can say. Rather than vlogging only, I would post my regular updates, my learnings with to you, means to myself. It's not basically for to you or anyone. It's uh, it's basically to everyone. So sometimes when I feel bored or anything, I see my own videos, this YouTube videos. So that improvement is going on. So I will give you the advice that helped me. I have learned from the mistakes, then so that I will tell you that you should not do that mistake. I will avoid you. If means this video is I am creating for myself, means a chota atharva who is a very innocent type kind of person who don't know the what will be the next move. So it's for that, it's for my self version uh, who is younger than me. I am providing that content, so it will be 100% genuine, and the quality of this video and the video which I will post will be the greatest. I will share my live examples and the experiences and what mistakes I have done and what achievements I have did into this YouTube channel. So uh, thanks a lot if you are watching, supporting. So nothing much. So today that's it. From tomorrow, no, I will shoot today 1 to 2 videos because 2 days I have broke my consistency and didn't shoot anything. So it will be a like of punishment to me for myself. So give the punishment to yourself in a good manner, that you should grow. Have a fixed mentality to grow. So by this we will I have we will end our video, this video here only. So keep growing guys. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande.